Hi friends, it's Carmen. Welcome back to my channel. So glad you're here. And if it's your first time here, welcome. I've got an unboxing for you today. I've ordered a few little things from Hirts Gardens. They were having a sale, plus they had some things on clearance, plus 20% off sale. So, you know, I had to take advantage of it. So let's open this up and see what's in it. Okay, so I ordered this on a Monday afternoon. It shipped out the following day, Tuesday. Went 2-day priority mail, and I would have gotten it yesterday, Black Friday, but it was the office at the apartment complex was closed, so I was not able to receive it. Okay, I've got a little bit of dirt around here. Let's see. Now, these plants are not super rare, but they are ones that I don't have or have lost. Okay. Rosie, stop. Initially looking at it, basta. I'm not super happy with the packaging because they did put a heat pack in it. I'm in Arizona, but these are coming from Ohio. I think they're in Ohio. Wow, there's dirt everywhere. This is a Maranta. I don't see an invoice, so I don't remember off the top of my head how much this was, but I will put it up here so you can see. But yeah, I mean, it's a good plant. It's actually bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's just there's just so much dirt everywhere. The soil is moist because I can feel the moisture in it. So that's a Maranta. This is a camouflage Dieffenbachia. The soil is a little bit hard to get off because it's wet. I have ordered from Hirts before. It was about 1.5 years ago. I ordered a couple of snake plants from them, and they're still doing great. I'm very happy with them. But if I remember correctly, I had the same problem as far as their boxing. So you can see the Dieffenbachia, why they call it a camouflage. See that? And I'll put the price that I paid for this. And it was 20% off off of everything. Oh boy. Okay, now this is one that I have had. This is a peperomia. It starts with a P, and I can't pronounce it. I'll put it up here. But it's basically a raindrop shape. There's some damage on these leaves. Looks like it's been burned some. But it's got a brand new one here. And underneath, it's got more coming through. 2 more there. Oh no, I'm totally wrong on this. This is a heart-shaped philodendron, because now I see the peperomia in here. Sorry, friends. This is a heart-shaped philodendron, which I do not have. Okay, we'll see how those do. Here is peperomia raindrop. Oh, There's new growth there and there, but this is, that's not salvageable, that's cracked. So I have not been able to find this peperomia. It looks so much like a palea, but it has, the leaves have just this slight pointiness to them, raindrop look to them. Peperomia polybotria, raindrop. It does come with some instructions there, but that leaf, I'm not happy about that. Now here, it was 2 in the listing, 2 for the price of 1. And this is another philodendron. And I'll put the name on here. I'm sorry, friends, my memory is really, really bad, and I just can't remember the scientific name of it, so I'll put it up here. But it was 2 in the listing, 2 for the price of 1, basically. But it's in good condition. I'll pot them together, but it's got a lot of new growth. Again, one that I have not been able to find here. So I've got 2 philodendrons, 2 types of philodendrons. But again, here's, and I don't know if it was from the frost. I do know that this weekend in the Midwest, it was a big snowstorm. So I don't know if this happened along the way or what, but there's some damage there. I mean, overall, they're all in good shape, except maybe for this peperomia on that leaf. That looks like it's just been squished. And had they been properly packaged, that would not have happened. See that? That's just squished in transit. So you're going to be hearing from me about that. Okay, so got a little bit of a mess here. Let me get these cleaned up and the tape off. I am not going to repot these in the next few days. I will set them out in front of my window here near the humidifier, let them acclimate for at least 10-14 days, and then I will repot them. The soil feels moist, so they're not lacking in water, but coming from Ohio to Phoenix and you know, not being able to be delivered yesterday, it's traumatizing for these little guys. So overall, I'm happy with them, but I will tell them about, you know, this damaged one. So let me get these unpackaged and more cleaned up, more presentable for you, and then I'll show you them once I've got them out on the table. Okay? Okay, I've got them cleaned up, more or less, and I put them out here on front of the window, made some room for them. Good thing they're small. And I've got the humidifier right over there, so they'll get plenty of humidity, which all of these need. And so they'll be on this table for about 10 to 14 days, and then I'll repot them, and some of them I will hang, like this Maranta, that philodendron back there, and I don't think these I'll hang. Maybe once this heart-shaped one gets bigger, I will. But overall, I will say that I am happy with them. For the price that I paid for all of them, I am happy with them. It's just that I really would have liked for them to be better packaged, so things like this would have been avoided. You know, these leaves were fine, I'm sure, when they were packaged, and in transit they fell off. And if they were better packaged, there wouldn't have been so much dirt. It wouldn't have been such a mess. And I'm really not sure about these burned ones when that happened, if it was leaning up against the heat pack that was in the box. Again, if it had been better packaged, maybe this wouldn't have happened either. But like I said, they'll be hearing from me. Anyways, I've ordered from them before. The plants that I've ordered from them before have lasted. They haven't died on me. And so I believe these will last also. It's just that I would have liked to gotten them in better condition. And I'm sure I'll order from them again if they have another sale. Okay, so let me know if you've had the same experience, friends, and down in the comments below if you've had the same experience with Hirts Gardens as far as their packaging and how your plants arrived, and have you continued to order from them? I would really like to know. Okay, if you enjoyed this unboxing video, please do give it a thumbs up. And leave a comment down below. If you haven't already, please do subscribe. And we'll continue this plant journey together. We have a wonderful community here. We share a lot of information and tidbits and secrets with each other to help our plants, house plants and cactus and succulents grow. And we'd love to have you a part of the community, okay? Thanks so much, friends, for watching today and visiting with me today. Have a blessed day.